Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG and want to know how you could do something like this. This is a little bit complicated, but not really. I've already typed it out. I've got them separated. I am going to make a copy of it and move those over and make those blue. Now I'm going to take these and I'm going to left click, right click. Now, if you can see, this is still a text, so I need to convert it to a curve, go to Object, Convert to Curve. As soon as you do that, the boundary tool will come up. And I'm going to make a boundary. And what the boundary did, I could have used the contour tool, but now I've just got the outside of the letters and not the inside of the letters. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 0.2. Not enough. Let's go 0.5. There we go. That's what we want. Now I'm going to go to Object, Break Contour Apart. I want to get rid of all these interior parts. I can do that with the Shape tool by just selecting them and hitting Enter. Just make sure you don't get any the other parts. Now, what we need to do is in the original and mine, it looks like it, and also it's actually coming in a little bit. The black on the bottom is a little bit thicker. So we can take this contour and we can grab, it's going to be a little bit hard. Tell you what, I'm going to hold down the Alt key, and the Alt's going to let me draw a line through here and up. I'm just trying to get the red nodes and go all the way to about there and then come back home. Now I've got just those. If I start moving them and hold down the control button, it'll stay like that. Now to make it look kind of like the original where it's kind of curved in, like right here and right there, very easily done. Just take your Shape tool, maybe delete that one. So that one's already kind of curved in. Maybe delete those nodes and move this node over. Maybe move your handles. And you could, this is something your artistic ability will shine or not. I don't have any. So that looks pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, basically this contour, we're going to contour the outside 2 steps, but just like 0.2. Now I've lost a little bit of from the original, and it was a different text. And even mine, I don't have all the little jigs in there, but you could have done that. And if you like that and need help, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and put a background on it, so when we see something, well, just a second, back at the page. Now I'm going to take my virtual or my interactive smart fill tool. No, tell you what, I don't want to do that. What I want to do is move this out of the way because I want this to be solid black. And then I want the outside to be, I need to zoom in. I want that other to be black, but then I want the other to be white. Now we can take our letters and nudge them over and down. Go to Object, Order, Front of Page. That's pretty close. Now, I'm trying to keep my videos shorter, and I'm going to do one more step to show how to put the 20 and the 20. And the original is 2021. I'm making them 2023, and they can make them whatever they want. Anyway, so stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.